If you have issues with your hotspot not working properly on Samsung Galaxy A37, then first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, go to connections, and we're gonna proceed to mobile hotspot and tethering. One of the first things that you need to know about the mobile hotspot on this phone is that you cannot really use Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot. If you want to share the access to the internet, if you try to turn on the hotspot, then of course we get this information that we have to turn off Wi-Fi to be able to use mobile hotspot. This of course means that we are using our mobile data in order to share the access to the internet. So keep in mind that you need to have a proper mobile data plan. Your mobile data must be enabled and working to be able to, of course, make your mobile hotspot properly work. Now, besides that, we can of course tap on the mobile hotspot itself in order to go to the configuration. And if you have your mobile hotspot enabled, then at the bottom of the screen, we can find a QR code button, which is used in order to, of course, generate a QR code. And then other devices, if they have the option to scan Wi-Fi QR codes, and they can, of course, scan this QR code and connect to your mobile hotspot without having to look for the network and without having to enter the hotspot password. Of course, besides that, you want to make sure that the password is of course set up properly. That is, the other person on their device, they enter the password correctly. You can of course easily change that password to something simpler to make it simpler, I guess. And besides that, we have a couple of additional options that are worth checking out. For example, the band option. Of course, over here you can have 5 GHz preferred selected, which increases the performance of the hotspot. However, you may notice that over here we have a little note that says that devices that don't support 5 GHz won't be able to find or connect to your hotspot. So of course this can be the matter of compatibility. If that other device cannot really find the network, it might be due to the 5 GHz band. So you might want to switch to 2.4 GHz and see if that helps. Besides that, if you scroll down, we can also find advanced option where we can find a couple of additional settings, like for example the hidden network, which of course should not be enabled if you want to make sure that your hotspot can be easily found on the list of Wi-Fi networks on other devices. Also, we have support Wi-Fi 6 standard, which just like in the case of the band setting, it increases the performance of the hotspot. You might be able to speed up your hotspot, but as a result, it might not be compatible with devices that do not support Wi-Fi 6 type. So you might want to turn this option off. And there is also the power saving mode, which reduces battery usage, but of course this may affect performance of features such as online gaming or video streaming, and perhaps this can be also the reason why other devices cannot properly use your mobile hotspot. So you might want to turn this option off, just at least for now, of course, in order to see if that helps. Of course, if you made any changes over here in this menu, you want to tap on save to make sure that all your changes have been applied. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.